Mr. Bird said he had not received any money from the national government for roads in the province since he became the governor. He said the provincial government had received 19 million kina for infrastructure that had been equally distributed to all the local level governments in the province. Member for Yangoru Sussia Richard Maru said the people in the province have been struggling to carry their goods and cash crops to the market while the provincial government is doing nothing to help them. Bird said he had been asking for block grants for the province, but no minister had supported this. He said while Sepik internal revenue had grown in the past 6 years, it will take another 10 years to raise revenue to the level needed. Samantha Solomon, National EMTV News.